Bro, take a look at these trading. Check out this dex screener. Right now, the people launching meme coins using a new method are making huge profits. Today, I'm going to show you this new way of launching meme coins on Solana. Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to create and start trading your own meme coin on Solana using a new profitable method. People will trade your token even without marketing. These will be organic purchases. You only need to create a meme coin. Of course, only for educational purposes. This is not a call to action. This is a new method that has appeared recently. I do not know how long it will profitable, but now it works and will work in the near future. Now I will show you how devs create meme coins using a new, so to speak, golden launch method and earn thousands of dollars a day. We will need this site. I will leave a link to this site in the description of this video. This site has a new feature that is not yet available on other similar sites, but it is already on GitHub, so I think in a few weeks, every same services will have this feature. Many people are now creating meme coins on Pump.Fun, but now it works so bad. Look how many tokens there are, very bad option. Tokens on Pump.Fun, not profitable for creators now. We will not use Pump.Fun, we will create a token directly and it will immediately appear on the dex screener. When launching a token on this site, the token will automatically be added to the dex screener. Well, first I go to the dex screener, choose any random token that is popular now. I choose a good token, which I will copy, which is popular now. This is necessary to have more buyers. Okay, I found a token, just a random popular token. If the token launched on the same day, it's very good. Now I click create token. Okay, I copied the picture, name and symbol. Now I will launch 1 billion tokens, but the quantity does not matter. Now I specify any description. It can be funny or detailed. And now the most important thing, a new function. We will replace the information about the token creator. More precisely, we will specify someone else's wallet. Yes, this is a new function. We can replace the information about the token creator. This information will be replaced in the smart contract metadata, but you will be the real owner of the Memecoin. Okay, look why this is important. Just look at this convenient service that shows information about the launch of new tokens on Solana. There are hundreds of such services and hundreds of thousands of traders and sniper bots monitor these services. Now look at this, the wallet address of the token creator. What we need is to find a creator wallet that already holds a large amount of Solana. We'll launch our own token with very low liquidity, for example, just 1 Solana. That token will then get picked up and displayed across all the major tracking platforms. Buyers will see it, and at the same time, they'll also see that the creator's wallet is holding a large amount of Solana. When buyers come across tokens like this, they assume the creator added low liquidity on purpose to let his own people or influencers buy in early at a cheap price. Then they expect the creator to add the rest of his Solana to the liquidity pool, causing the token to pump hard. And often, they're right. Some creators actually do this. That's why traders and sniper bots are constantly looking for tokens that match this pattern. And today, we're going to make our token look exactly like one of those. Look, this is a good example. The creator launched a token with low liquidity, but his wallet had a lot of Solana. Any buyer could buy this meme token at a very low price for 20 minutes, and then this token flew to the moon. Today, I will create a token that will seem the same to buyers. Well, I found a wallet that has a lot of Solana. I copy the wallet address and paste it here. Well, I choose all this because it increases the credibility of the token. Now I'll just copy all the social networks from the meme coin I copied and paste them here. Okay, in order for the token to appear everywhere, including dex screener, you need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done, for example, on PumpSwap, this is a new Pump.Fun function, or on Radium, or directly on the site, turning on this option. Specify how much Solana and your token you want to add to the liquidity. Don't worry, liquidity can always be withdrawn back. This is exactly what we will do. Withdraw liquidity back after traders buy our token. Okay, I will add liquidity on this site. I have already launched many tokens here. I open a liquidity pool page and look, all my tokens are profitable. Okay, now let's get back to creating a token. I will add 3 Solana to the liquidity pool, but you can add less, for example, 1 Solana, but I have already launched many tokens using this method, and the biggest profit is when the liquidity is about 3 Solana. But with 1 Solana, it is also good. Okay, now I indicate how many tokens I will add to the liquidity pool. I recommend adding 90% of the total supply. For example, if 1 billion tokens are launched, then we add 900 million. Okay, now I choose a 2% fee, and that's it. Now I paste my wallet address here. Tokens will be sent to this address, and this address will be the real owner. Now I click launch token, and I see a payment window. I need to send Solana to this address. Okay, I made a transaction. Now I click check transaction. And boom, I see my meme coin address. Now I click on the address and SolScan opens. I copy the address of my token. Now we copy the token address. We go to dexscreener and select any token. Now we need to replace the token address with ours. Okay, great. We see our token on dexscreener. We already see instant purchases by sniper bots, but this is too little for us. This is not enough. We need to wait a few minutes for real people to start buying. Note that the dexscreener displays liquidity twice as much as the real. This is because it also takes into account our token, which now has a price. Great, the first purchase is in, but this is just the beginning. Now I'm just watching how my token will be bought and trade. Yes, now crypto trading is so much fun. Now meme coins on Solana are very popular again, so similar golden methods for launching meme coins will appear. But you know this yourself. In a bull market, methods always appear with which you can make big money very easily on crypto, but they stop working relatively quickly, so if you find some good method, use it as quickly as possible. Okay, I'll just speed up the video and let's see what happens in 15 minutes. Look, the sniper bots have joined in. They're buying in multiple transactions, sometimes even $100 each. If I remove liquidity now, I will get about 10 Solana. This is very good. Nice profit. Just look how beautifully this token flies to the moon. Well, now I open my portfolio page on site and I can see my profit in real time. To withdraw the liquidity pool, just click remove liquidity, select 100% and click remove liquidity. All the money will back to the wallet and the token will be rugged. And on this site, you don't need to sign any transactions because the site manages the token for you via a smart contract. But don't worry, you the real owner. Okay, I click remove. And that's it. The liquidity is removed and the token is rugged. Here we can see it on the dexscreener. Many meme coins on Solana bring great profits to buyers when the token creators don't make rag pools and do marketing for the tokens. So buyers continue to buy all the tokens launched on this principle and do not worry about a few of them will be rugged. To sum it up, in this video, we launched a meme coin from scratch that became successful even without any promotion or marketing. We used a new method to create and launch the token. And with meme coins on Solana gaining popularity again, we can expect even more methods like this to show up. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out.